Hello and welcome to More Than Code. This is Juliano. In this video, we will download and install the latest free version of PyCharm for Windows 10. So let's start. PyCharm download. We go to JetBrains website, click on it. Here we have for Windows 2 options, and if you are in the Mac OS or Linux, you just change the page here. So we have the professional version, and this is a paid version but has a free trial, but in this case we're going to go to the community version. It's a pure Python development and it's a free and open source IDE. I'll click on download. I'll wait for download to finish here. Great! Now the download is done. I can open this file from here and download, or I can go to my desktop file, my desktop folder, and open the file from here. So I'll double click the file here, and on this I'll click next. I'll browse to find the file folder for it. Alright, so I choose this path here. I will install this on the D drive. I'll click next. On the installation options, this is personal preferences. So if you want the desktop shortcut, I'll create one. We will open the file folders as project. I'll add that too. I'll associate the .py files to PyCharm. If you don't have Python already installed in your machine, you can add the Python from PyCharm to the path. JetBrains, but this is okay, so just install. Great, the installation is complete. Now I'll just finish here, and I'll double click on the icon that opens up the PyCharm Community Edition 2021. I agree to the user agreements, click continue. We're gonna create a simple project just to see if everything is working. Changes to D drive, Python already defined, Python 3.9.5 in this machine. Hello. Hello. I'll create this. Great. Now I'll delete this, and we're gonna write our first code. It's gonna be hello from More Than Code. I'll run. I have two options. I can run right click, run, or I can click here in this arrow and run. Just alright, everything's working fine. Hello from More Than Code. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.